Sapppaning, welcome back to another video. It's not going to be a huge long one, but I'm at a derelict farm, one I've done many years ago. But yeah, it's overgrown. That's all I'm going to say. I've walked a couple of miles to get here. It's on my daily walk. There's car parts everywhere, and there's cool stuff right out the back as well. And there's an old Land Rover and stuff. It's one of those, and I think we'll be able to bloody go and get it today, just because how overgrown it is. It's a different world in the summer compared to the winter. There's a lot of outbuildings, there's a lot of everything here. That's cool, isn't it? Good here. Through here, there's incredible sets of old doors. I know a couple of like salvage people commented on a video before, like, where are them doors? Where can we buy them doors? But we can't even get them, and I am not walking through in shorts. Unless I'll show you some of the bits we can do. Which, to be fair, I don't even know it's going to be. And the thing is with this place as well, it's right next to like active houses and farms, so a little trough or something, so you know they're going to know about it if you're going to be here. That style over there, I got a picture right of me standing up on the top of that. I might actually put that as a cover photo, so don't worry if you see that as a cover photo. That was a couple of years ago. I'm perfectly safe, I'm not endangering, I'm protecting the NHS. Sapppaning. Tires everywhere. Do you know what, some of these big tractor tires, I'd love a couple of those in the garden, just to, you know, do some weight training with them. Stingies everywhere, and not a dog leaf in sight. You know what I'm saying though? How cool is that? Used to be an old tractor in here as well, but to my eyes they've taken it out of there. That's right, it was quite high actually. I can't realise when you do these things you just jump up and climb. That's right, you stand on them tyres there and pull yourself up. It's a good job I'm 6'4" because I could do it. Right, let's go over here first. See what I mean about buildings? Not a lot to see in them. Just empty old farm stuff. But it's a little explore. It's getting out and about, and it's bringing you guys something different as well. I hope you're all doing good. There you go. You can see where they all would have been, you know, tied up or whatever, or in their different sections. I'm really not a farmer, I can't tell you. I'm just going by watching stuff on TV. Is that they milk cows? I don't know. Are you a farmer? Do they milk cows there? There you go. This place looks a bit more interesting. So it's all I can envision with this. It's just cars parked up, owning something, I guess, and having your car collection in there. Surprising though, you know, it's in pretty good condition in there, to be fair. What's behind the gate? I'm intrigued. More pits. Front of a tractor, that's nice. Ladder up to rooms up there. Yeah, that's very cool actually. Check that. Nice. Oh shit, side room full of parts. These old oil cans, it's a shame these are so rusty, they'd be wicked. I know there's one there that's not too bad. But I'm surprised half of this stuff is left in it, to be fair. It's quite, you know, that cabinet as well. Industrial stuff is hot these days. Bench as well, the wood on that, that's wicked. The problem when I go to these places, I just turn into like envisioning things in different scenarios. That old light right there. Empty old building. Empty buildings everywhere. More tyres. table out there. Don't turn around. So there we go. That's a little bit of a miniature explore, something different for you guys. There's only so much I can do in my local area in walking distance. I know, walking distance, feeling great. My clothes are getting baggy as well. Excuse me, hay fever. But yeah, something different, which is quite nice. As I said, there's only so much I can do. And there's a couple of more abandoned places within my walking radar as well. Whether that's between 5 and 10 miles I'm walking. What we're getting here, we're getting it done. We're bringing you guys something new. So until next time, big love as per usual. I'm all done here. Now it's time to walk home. Take care, take it easy. Have the best day you can have.